This is Connie. She works at the Joint Chiropractic. As a receptionist, she's 30 years old.
I'm not almost 30 years old, I'm only 28. And also, this is not even the point of the video, it's for us to talk about the pricing of the joint. Thank you very much.
Oh? Sorry. Right, Connie makes sure to let patients know that the Joint has the best prices.
I do also let them know that we have 900 locations nationwide and they could use their membership at any of our locations, as well letting them know that our prices are lower than most copay and deductibles, their first visit being $29 and that's including an exam, consultation, and usually a treatment and adjustment, which automatically makes the Joint the better option.